Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So this book is from Melanie Strother, and okay, this goes to Veronica Mundez. Okay, so on the side she's got this beautiful closure, and there's like a little pin on here. Look how pretty this is. Love the fabric. Look how pretty this trim is. And she's got this binder clip that is holding this beautiful tassel, and she even covered the binder clip with fabric. How stinking cute is that? Alright, so we're going to open it up, and so there is a card in here for me. It says to Jan from Melody, and look how cute this is. It says, a special hello with a special wish to hope this Halloween's very happy for you. And it says, hey Jan, thank you so much for hosting the swap for all the crafters. I so enjoy watching your videos. FYI, I didn't glue any side pockets. With the clip, she says have something in, oh wait, hold on. There are 3 that have something inside, and I have more than 31 pages, but allowed extra for the recipient. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Oh, she's so cute. She loves the printer, guys. So, okay, look how cute this is. So it says, this book belongs to, and then there's this pocket. Oh, look how cute this is. She made like this little file thing. Oh, that's adorable. That's a cute idea. Look at this tag. And she made it into a text spot and put this little tag in there. Look how beautiful. I mean, wow, you did a really good job. Look at this. How pretty is this? It's all blinged out. She put the year right here. How cute is that? And then there's a pocket. Look. She did say, like, these are the pockets and marked them. Look at this. So this is a double pocket. Look how beautiful this tag is. Look back here. Oh. And then there is a belly band. Look how beautiful this is. And she has a trim down here. Look at this. So she's got a tuck spot, but she's got a frame so you could put a picture in there. That's sweet. Oh, look at this. Wow, look how cool this is. And it's so cute. Look at this. And it's a tuck spot, and she's got this beautiful tag. And I think this is napkins, but how cool is this? Alright, and then there is a paper clip that she made that's right here. And let's move the paper clip because she did say, oh look. So she put these in the side pockets. That's what she was saying. That's a napkin, but I wonder how you got all the cutout on it. Wow, that's amazing. Look, and you can write on the back. Oh wow. That is super creative. I wonder how you did that on the napkin. You'll have to tell me. There's a pocket over here, and she made a tag, and it's got like a tab on the top. That's an adorable idea. Alright, put that back in. Love the stitching. Love the candy. Look at this belly band. And the boo on it. Look how cool this is. Wow. So there is this one. And she did say, if you look, hold on, she didn't, okay, that one's not there. I was reading. She said she left some pockets. See how this one, but doesn't have anything in it, for the person to do whatever. So there is this tag, and I love putting staples and stuff. That's my new favorite thing, instead of putting it in the hole where it rips. So she's got this beautiful page that she made, and I love that she kind of like distressed and wrinkled up the paper. Look how cute this is. I love that that's hanging out. And look how pretty this tag is. That's adorable. And then there is a bookmark. She's got 2 different bookmarks. And then there's a tuck spot here. A tuck spot here. Behind the envelope. And then when you open it, you can write. Oh, look. You can write in it. That's smart. Love that. And then there's a side pocket with this beautiful tag. And then it's got like a pocket and a little tag. That's cute. And then there is a tuck spot back behind here. And she made another tag and a place to journal. That cat is adorable. And then there is this spot. And this is a tuck spot up here in this candy. And she put a tag on there. I love how you cut the bottom. And then I like this. And then here is this beautiful page. And then she's got another one of the jack-o'-lanterns in here, which is amazing. And then she made this really pretty paper clip. And look how she put the pom-pom on there. That's cute. Pom-pom trim. Oh, wow. Look at this page. I wonder what this is, Melanie. What is this? I don't know. It looks like foil, but it's not. It doesn't feel like foil. And then there is a double pocket. So there's a pocket back here. Look at that paper with that eye. And then there is this one. And look at the witch feet and hat. So over here she's got 2 little bags that have tags that come out. That's creative. And she used paint too. So she didn't do the washi, she did the paint. So people were really ahead of the game with the paint. That's smart. A journaling spot, a side tuck. There is a side pocket, and she put some journaling. There is, oh look, how it's like wavy. And then there is a tag. I love this. You need to swipe some of these ideas. Look at this house, and I love that you put a journaling. And then look at this. So there's a pocket down here. That's adorable. And then this spider is a tuck spot. How smart was that? So then there is this one, and there is paper, and this tag is gorgeous, and this pocket, journaling. This is so pretty. And then look how pretty this is. So there is another bookmark. Look how pretty this page is. Oh, look at her. You must have a Cricut. I'm like, how did you get all this stuff? It's so gorgeous. So then there's this, and I love that she did black, and oh, that's cute. So here is a side pocket. Well, it's a side pocket, kind of, tuck. And then here, there is a front pocket with this tag. Here is, so there's a paper clip back here. It's holding this paper, which is behind here is a tuck. There is another one of the jack-o'-lanterns here. And then she has this paper clip she made with the pom-pom trim. And then look at this. It says, "Why is this jack-o'-lantern so very happy? He thinks of you, and I am too. Happy Halloween." That's cute. And it's a tuck spot holding this, and then the paper behind it. So cute. So this is a tuck spot in the ghost. It's just spooky. That's adorable. And then there is a tag right here. I mean, a pocket and a tag there. So she said there's more than 31 pages too. Look how cute this is. So there's tuck and then a tuck. Oh, that's adorable. I love that. She made that. Candy corn. And then there is Oh, look how cute this is. And this paper is spray or hand dyed. That's a lot throughout. It's so pretty. Alright, and then there is this one. And then look at this one. And, oh wait, hold on. Look how pretty this paper is. This is pretty. And I think it stickles. I don't know. It's so pretty though. So there's this last pocket, and there's says goodies in here, but I'm going to leave it in there. It's going to be a surprise for Veronica. She's got these cut aparts. And at least she has something, a surprise. And I don't want this to bend. Let me put this back, because when I close the book, I don't want it to bend it all up. Okay. That goes back there, and then she has a note for the person that's here with this beautiful hand-dyed paper. Smart. And the last pocket. Melanie, you did an amazing job. A lot of creative ideas and a lot of things I might crafty swipe from you. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Melanie does not do videos, but she is always on the lives and whatever else. Hopefully Melanie is part of our Facebook group. And I hope that you guys subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.